So we take pride in saluting this valiant woman freedom fighter of our country and particularly of the state. On the occasion of 500th birth anniversary of her, we have issued a statement and the copies will be distributed to you at the end of the press conference. Another thing is the Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha in Bangalore was held in 2021 and after 4 years we have assembled here again. In all there were 1482 were expected in this national meeting which is annually held, and this time 1443 have attended, making it to 97.3%. And the RSS workers from Arunachal Pradesh, from Manipur, from southernmost tip of our country, Kanyakumari, Jammu Kashmir, they all assemble in this annual gathering and they deliberated upon many things, and many of the prominent activities that have been conducted during the year were shared, and how we have been able to reach out to the society and various segments of society through our Shaka work and also socially oriented service, seva activity and other activities. There have been multiple and innumerable varieties of the activities that Swayamsevaks conduct. And as you all know, on many occasions of natural calamity also our Karyakartas rush to save life or to provide succor and relief, or after the incident even for the rehabilitation, as it happened in the case of landslide in Wayanad or floods in some other parts or some accidents, etc. So those things have been shared here. And in the last 3 years, we have been emphasizing on the expansion of our work on the ground. Our aim is to reach every mandal or a basti. A basti, that are comprising around 10,000 population in urban areas, and a mandal generally comprising 10 to 15, 20 villages. So this has been our target, and next 6 months we are expecting to achieve this before the next Vijayadashmi, which is our target. Next Vijayadashmi day, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak will be completing, as it has been repeatedly announced, the centenary year. And this year has served as the preparatory year for us. Preparatory year in the sense, one is expansion of the organizational activities, consolidation, improving the quality of the work, and also reaching out to various segments and preparing for the centenary year to expand and emphasize the activities that we have already been taking up, but giving a special focus on the same. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has never in the past celebrated its anniversaries like Silver Jubilee or Golden Jubilee, etc. Because Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh feels that we are not an organization in the society separately, we are organizing the society. That's why a day should come that it should be coterminous with the society. That's why